Sabrina, I love that poster on the wall behind you. Smile to whoever may need one today. Yes.
Yes, here we are to smile together,
Yes,
laugh
yes,
together.
yes, yes. Now, thank you for agreeing to have this conversation with me about joy. Um, now, there are a few things that I know people will be very interested to know about you, Sabrina. I was incredibly interested to learn these about you too.
Thank you, Joe.
So you you have been a laughter yoga ambassador since 2006, so for 14 years.
Yes,
In
it's
Portugal.
True. In Portugal, yes.
And you have been a pioneer in laughter yoga in Portugal.
Yes, yes. I was a pioneer in Lisbon, especially in Lisbon.
Yep.
I started to work very much in Lisbon and then spread from over Portugal.
Lovely, lovely.
Lovely, lovely.
And two other amazing things. You see, you are also the founder of the Congress, which is called Laughter for Health.
Laughter is health.
Laughter is health. Yes.
Laughter is health, because we want to spread the benefits of laughter yoga in health, mental health, physical health. So we put a lot of people together there to share, knowledge and make workshops, and it's amazing. It's amazing.
Lovely.
An amazing event. Thank you.
I know, it sounds fantastic. It's a really fantastic.
Yes.
And you've written 2 books.
Yes, it's true. Here are my 2 books.
Guided meditation and laughter for life. Is that right?
Yes. This one is about laughter yoga, how laughter yoga helps me in my life, in my health, in my everything. Helps me a lot.
Yep.
This is a little biography of mine too. Yep. So I put it together and was born my first book last year. And then, as I like very much to visualization, meditation, I talked to my editor to write a book about visualization. And she told me, yes, you can. So here is the book. The book was launched 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago.
Fantastic.
Yeah, it's my second little book, baby.
Lovely. And Sabrina, and what a perfect way to start talking about this thing called joy.
Yes.
Because as you know, there are the 2 basic questions I have for you. Yes. Question number 1 is what is joy for you? What does joy mean to you, Sabrina?
Yes, for me, the more important thing in my life is my daughter. So that gives me a lot of joy to be with her, even if she's in another room and I'm here, gives me a lot of joy. And like my family is in Spain and I'm in Portugal, I feel a lot of, I miss them. So I dream to be with my family as soon as I can. So this gives me the light of joy to be part, of them. So this gives me a lot of joy. My family gives me a lot of joy.
So many people,
my daughter especially.
Yes, absolutely lovely. And in a way that almost answers the second question, of course, which is how important is joy to you?
Yes, it's my daily news. It's my daily news, joy.
Yes.
I put myself in a state of joy the maximum time I can.
Very
So
nice.
it's very important for me as a laughter ambassador and a laughter master trainer.
Yep.
I put joy in my life every day.
Yes.
And even when I'm sad, I live to be myself sad for an hour, 2 hours, but not more than that.
Yes, yes, yes.
You know, I let my body talk. I respect. If he wants to be sad, it's okay. But I make always an effort to be in a joyful energy and to be in a good mood. For me, it's very important.
Very nice. So I heard you say a couple of things there. One, that you listen to your body and you allow your body to speak to you, right?
Yes.
And so if it's feeling, if for whatever reason it's feeling sad, you allow that. But
Yes.
after a while, you make an effort to return to joy.
Yes.
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 It's the secret. It's the secret. It's to feel joy. Let me one moment.
Yes.
Sorry, because I have to open the door.
Yes.
Yeah.
So these interviews are real. They are full of the unexpected. Oh,
you know, this is a package of my family in Spain. So you know, we are talking about them.
Yes, yes.
And they literally appear the box in my house. So I'm sorry for the interruption.
No, perfect.
I will give 5 minutes to the man who brings me the box, I think, and we continue. But we can still talk.
Yes, yes. Well, what you've said and what you've shared, I think people will find really interesting and really inspiring, Sabrina, because allowing ourselves to feel what we're feeling, right? And if our body and our sort of mood is feeling like that, allowing ourselves to feel like that.
Yes.
But then doing that.
Yes.
Yes.
Is the secret. Is
Yes.
the secret.
Yes.
To search joy inside of you.
Yes.
To allow yourself to be in your inner peace.
Yes. Yes.
Give me only a moment. Sorry.
What an exciting and real interview.
I knew it. I knew it. I knew that would happen. It's the energy of laughter.
Yes. Yes.
It's always perfect.
Shall we, for about sort of 30 seconds, shall we just share the energy of laughter with everyone?
Yeah, very good.
Sabrina, this has been delightful and wonderful. Just so
thank you.
interesting.
For me too.
Oh, good.
For me too.
And let's be lucky and fingers crossed, particularly for your Laughter is Health conference, which hopefully will be in May 2021. Hopefully.
Exactly.
Yes.
Yeah.
No. And again, Sabrina, thank you very, very much for sharing your insights and your expertise and your warmth with everyone.
Thank you very much
Lovely.
for your invitation, and thank you very much for everything. Thank you. I'm so grateful to be here. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye for now.
Bye, Joy. Thank you.